Hi everyone, you're back again on Gomes on production with you, Chef Anthony, and with me,
his assistant translator, wifey Lydia.
Today we are making something that my wife didn't know that we can make it at home.
Danas pravimo nešto što ja nisam znala da se može praviti kući, ali eto može. Today we are making
Peanut butter, homemade peanut butter.
kikiriki butter.
And for this you just need basically one ingredient, but other ingredients are optional.
Da. Za kikiriki butter vam je potrebno jedan sastojak, najvažniji sastojak kikiriki. Ostali sastojci su opcionalni, ako želite da ih stavite, stavit ćete.
Yeah, when you go to the market you have different kinds of peanut butter which have lots of preservative. You don't know what fat they're using, what oil they're using, what peanuts they're using. So it's better to make your peanut butter at home.
Yeah, correct, and it's cheaper.
It's cheaper, yes.
Da, kao što kaže Antoni, odete u radnju da kupite kikiriki butter, u nekim slučajevima ih nema u Srbiji, mi smo ih tražili, i shvatite da ima aditiva, svačega nečega i ne znate kakve kikirike koriste, i vi napravite kući.
Okay, basically you just need one ingredient, that is you need roasted peanuts.
Da, jedino što vam je potrebno, glavno što vam je potrebno su pečeni kikiriki.
You can even buy a peanuts and you can roast it at home in the oven and then you can make a peanut butter.
Da, možete čak i da kupite nepečene pa da ih ispečete kući, ali mi smo ovaj put odlučili da kupimo pečene. We got them
Roasted.
roasted. The only thing what we had left, oh, this is not my part. Jedino što nam je ostalo je, na nekima nam je ostala kožica i sad ću vam pokažem kako se to najlakše čisti.
Yes, actually we bought a peanut with shell on, but roasted. But I will show you the easy technique how you just deshell it.
Yeah. Da, ovako se otprilike čisti kikiriki koji ima kožuljicu.
You just need a clean cloth.
Treba vam krpa.
Just put the peanut inside it.
I stavite kikiriki unutra. I samo da volate. Bukvalno.
It's very easy. As you can see, we are just doing in front of you.
I vrlo je jednostavno. Na kraju možete kroz setku široku da ga provrljate i da ostane kožura, a vama da ostane kikiriki. Ali ja volim da se patim i da stavim jedan po jedan napolje.
The other way you can do it is that you just rub it in the cloth, then you put in the strainer which have a little bigger holes than the normal strainer, and you will see the skin goes off from the strainer and you will find much more easier than this. She likes to suffer like this, so let's do it.
So you take one by one outside and we'll be back when we finish.
Our peanuts are clean. Now we're going to show you how to make a peanut butter.
Očišćeni su nam kikiriki, a sada ćemo vam pokažemo kako se pravi kikiriki butter.
You just put the peanuts in the blender.
Treba vam blender, stavite kikiriki, jel, je najvažniji stav. Palite blender.
And now you have to mix it a bit.
Sad trebate malo da promešate baš kikiriki.
You have to do this at least 5 times so that the peanut is totally crushed and turned into a paste.
Ovo treba da radite oko jedno 5 puta, da tako blendirate, stanete, dok god vam kikiriki ne postane kao butter.
Our peanut is minced. Now we're gonna add a little sea salt to it. This is optional again.
Naš kikiriki se izblendao ili vam smrvio. Ento bi sad dodaje morsku sol, ali ovo je po želji. Ako želite da stavite, stavite, ali...
You can even add a little peanut oil if you like to, and even you can add honey.
Možete da dodate kikirikijevo ulje ili meda isto u ovoj fazi, ako želite.
See, we are almost done with the peanut butter.
Evo, uskoro smo gotovi sa pravljenjem kikiriki putera.
Okay. One more churn and this peanut butter will turn into a smooth paste.
Još jednom izblendiramo i ovo će nam postati puter.
Okay, now our peanut butter is ready.
Evo, gotovo nam je kikiriki puter.
You can see it's smooth how you get it in the market.
Kao što vidite, stvarno je kao što ga kupite u radnji.
You can keep it little crunchy if you want, if you like to have little crunchy peanut butter. We like it smooth, so we made it very smooth.
I ako hoćete da ga ostavite malo krupnije, možete slobodno, a mi molimo da bude ovako gladak baš.
You see our peanut butter is ready. We will remove it in a jar. I will prefer you to remove in a glass jar if you want to preserve it for a longer period.
Gotovo nam je kikiriki puter. Ako hoćete na duži staze da ga čuvate, preporučujemo vam da stavite u staklenu činiju. Mi imamo neku koja drži vazduh, tako da...
If you really taste this peanut butter, this is much better than the product which are available in the market, and you know exactly what you are putting in this.
Kad budete probali ovaj kikiriki puter, za razliku od kupovnog, vidjet ćete razliku i vi ćete više kupovati kupovni. Ovo znate šta ima.
So let's keep our peanut butter in a jar.
I mi stavimo naš kikiriki u našu činiju. This was 300 grams.
Yes, we used 300 grams of peanut, and this is the amount of peanut butter we got.
Mi smo koristili 300 grama kikirikija, pečenog, i ovoliko smo dobili, that's how much. I dobili smo, ja mislim, oko 200 grama, 200 grams,
Yes.
We got like 200 grams of peanut butter.
But I would really recommend you to do this at home. As you can see, it was very easy, and it would be much cheaper than the peanut butter what you buy in the market.
Da, kao što kaže moj čovjek, stvarno ne treba 50 minuta da napravite kikiriki puter, jer stvarno nisam znala to. I really didn't know you can make peanut butter at home.
You want to taste it?
Yes, I want. I mean, we already made it before. It's peanut.
You really get a taste of a peanut.
Vidite, ako hoćete da vam bude malo slađi, mi ne volimo, dodajte meda i savršeno je.
Yeah, especially for the kids, if your kids like peanut butter, add a little honey to it, they would love it.
Deca će ga obožavati ako stavite malo meda u to. To je to, 50 minuta i imate kikiriki puter.
And it's ready.
I nemojte trošite zlatne pare skupo. Ali, evo, napravite kod kuće.
Please try this recipe at home. I know that your kids would really love it. Believe me or not, we love it, and even you will love it, and it hardly takes time.
Da, stvarno probajte recept kod kuće. Kao što kaže Antoni, deca će ga obožavati, vi ćete ga voliti i mi ga volimo.
Please subscribe on our channel, do like our video, leave a comment if you want us to make something for you.
I da, ostavite nam like, ostavite nam komentar, pretplatite se na naš kanal, besplatno je, da vidite šta ćemo sljedeće da pravimo. A vi ako hoćete da nam nešto pravimo, molim vas, vičite, stavite u komentarima dole, pravit ćemo vam, Antoni zna sve da pravi. I ja znam sve da jedem.
Now we are going to enjoy our peanut butter. Thanks for watching this video.
Mi idemo da uživamo u našem kikiriki puteru, a hvala što ste gledali.
Ćao!